Hey guys, what is up? Locks here, and today I'm just gonna show you about how to fix a black screen or maybe a black screen on your OBS studio. So when you try to record something like your screen, for instance, it's gonna happen to you, and it's really annoying. But first thing first, this is my first time that I speak with English, so if my English or maybe my accent, my grammar sucks, yeah, I'm really sorry for that. But I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So to fix this problem is really simple and really easy if you're using Windows 10, and I recommend you to use Windows 10. So to fix this problem, just go to Start and go to Settings and go to System and scroll it down until you see the graphic settings. But if you are using Windows 10 already and not seeing the graphic settings like this, maybe you just need to update your Windows. Or yeah, you need to update your Windows and using Windows 10 or maybe the latest build of your Windows, right? Just click this graphic settings like that, and normally when you first time here, you will see you will not see anything like this. So all you need to do is import your OBS app to the graphic settings here. Just click on browse or browse, I don't know how to pronounce that, but you get the idea, right? Just locate where your OBS is. Is it on C, D, E, or yeah, whatever, and just locate where your OBS is. Just yeah, OBS, where is it? Open broadcast, where are you, man? OBS Studio and bin. Is it on bin or on data? Bin, right? 64, and click your OBS 64.exe or executable and add. So after you're importing your OBS here, you will see the app will be right here, and I believe by default the app will be high performance, I think, because the OBS or the app is giving me the black screen, right? So to change between the high performance mode and the power saving mode, all you need to do, just click the option and don't remove, just click the option, right? And click the power saving if you want to record your screen. That is, if you want to record your game, I recommend you to use high performance mode. In some games, the screen will be appear black, and yeah, it's really annoying. So if you want to record your screen or maybe you record tutorial like me, you just use the power saving option, right? Just click it, just click save, and you're really good to go. So you can try to reopen your OBS or maybe restart your OBS if you see not see anything like this, or maybe still a black screen, right? Just close and yeah, or exit your app and reopen it, and the screen will be appear, and the black screen or the blank screen will be gone. Yeah, just like that. Really easy and really simple. So there you go, the screen is here and the black screen is gone. And yeah, to fix that is really easy and really simple. Just set your OBS to power saving mode, and to do that, just go to settings and graphics settings, right? Thank you so much for watching for this video. I know it's really sucks and really pain in the ass to watch this video or this tutorial, but yeah, I'm really sorry for that. But I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, and let me know what you think about my English and what about my tutorial in the comment down below. And thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.